I know this is video number 4 today because I have so many that I had to catch up on from being sick. And I will explain again because you're not going to see it for a future until a couple days from now when the video posts. But yes, if you notice, I do look different than I did in the videos that I've posted earlier today because Otis is actually currently with my husband and my daddy at the emergency 24-hour vet because something happened and he had some kind of like really bad abscess or something on his neck, and then down on the backside, and then down up under he had this big lump. He wasn't eating or drinking, and then all of a sudden when he was trying to walk, he couldn't. So we don't know what's going on. I have cried as many tears as I am going to cry, and I'm not going to cry now. I've redone my makeup, pulled my hair back. I had said the heck with it, and I wasn't going to film, but then I was like, you know what? Let me just sit down and do another video to keep my mind off of this. So that is what I'm doing. So that is why I look a little different than I did earlier today. But I am excited to share that this is a brand new subscription to our channel. So yay for that. And with the day I've had, I'm probably going to need it because if you see from the description below, it is, I can pick this up, the Winc Wine Club. So a little bit about this. This is, well, exactly that, a wine club. A like monthly wine subscription. Basically, you go onto the website and you can take this profile quiz where they ask you if you like citrus, if you like salt, how you like your coffee, if you like berries, different things, because that's how I guess they figure out your palate for wine. And I think it is super awesome. And I have 4 bottles in here. You are able to pick the bottles they will recommend. And generally they recommend like 2 reds, 2 whites. You can change that to all white, all red, 3 red, 1 white, however you want to do it. 2 and 2, completely up to you. And like I said, you can change whatever their suggestion is, which is what I did. The 4 bottles in here, I did completely pick out. Now, I am an affiliate with Winc, so I do receive this to share with you guys. But the cool thing about it is they obviously, as an affiliate, I have a link that you can use, and if you use that link, you will get $22 off your first order plus free shipping. And their wine starts at $13 a bottle. And like I said, it is a monthly subscription. I will put the link and everything down below. There is no coupon code, just that link will get you $22 off and free shipping on your first month. So if you want to give them a try, you can. I think it is super fantastic. And it's a good way to try new wines because all 4 of the ones that are in here are not something that I normally would have picked up in the store. A couple of them I've never even heard of. But let's get in this box and see what it's about. If I can open it. And Tia, if you're watching, we're not playing Never Have I Ever. So, all right. Summer is here. Oh, goodness gracious. It's like a... What is this? April showers bring May sangrias. So I guess this is like some reusable straws. Some straws? Okay. And then we have some paperwork, which we will look at in a minute. So just to give you guys an idea of the packaging. Oh, heavy. That's how it comes. So, yep, we take that off, and then there's our 4 bottles. Woo! Okay, so I'm just gonna like toss that to the side. I'm gonna set this down, and then we're just gonna look at this first. Meet the rosé of the season. From the desk of Summer Water. Summer here. Summer water, that is. I'm a pretty big deal this time of year. In fact, some even say that I'm the rosé of the summer, and let me tell you, the thirst is real. I'm crisp, fruity, and prefer to chill poolside. So if you're looking to hashtag keep it real, I'm your girl. Turn your summer up a notch and add me to your next box. You won't regret it. XOXO Summer Water. So it's a rosé. Summer Water is the brand, so just an advertisement for that. All right. It says, clink, clink, welcome to Winc. Right here. So, okay, so this is actually useful because this is going to go over, like, all of these different brands and just different, it has like, looks like it has an alphabet of why, like different things for wine, because that was the thing. I'm a Moscato girl. I don't care for much else, but I was like, you know what? This is a really good way to find different wines that I like, so let's give it a try. And based off my profile, I did kind of go with some of what they said. I did change some, but I like how it would say, if it was crisp or fruity or sweet, refreshing or tart, or I don't know. I just enjoyed it. So let's just get to let's get to the goods. Okay. So the first one was a pretty easy choice for me. Because it is a sparkling white wine. It is by Winc. It says Blanc de Blancs, California. And it's a sparkling white wine. So, there is that guy right there. So, that should be interesting. All right, and now this one was one of the ones that was recommended for me, and based off of what I read on it, I did decide to keep it. It is Cape Route. Still don't even know if that's correct. 2018 Chenin. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Chenin Blanc from Western Cape. So each harvest, premier Santa Barbara County winemaker Ernest Storm returns to his South African hometown to make wine and imports a modern influence on otherwise traditional winemaking. Born from 2 microclimates within Western Cape, the balanced Chenin Blanc, or Steen as they call it, is a clean, fruit-forward expression of the grape. So this is actually from South Africa. But it said something about like crisp and fruity, so that sounded like something I would like, so I did decide to give this guy a try. So if you have tried this or know what Chenin Blanc is, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Let me know your thoughts. And then this I was excited to find as an option. So this is actually a cider. This is Epplevin, Sonoma County bottle conditioned dry cider. Experience the essence of Americana, created in a dry style with hand-picked Sonoma County apples and bottled conditioned for natural brightness and complexity. Epplevin is craft cider for a new generation of cider lovers. So I do, the reason I chose this is because I do like the Angry Orchard or Woodchuck if you can ever find it. It's hard to find now, which are kind of hard ciders. So I was like, ooh, let me give this a try. And this one sounded really good. So I wanted to try and kind of mix things up. So that's why I have like a sparkling and then just a regular white, a cider. And then our last bottle here is Folly of the Beast. This is a Pinot Noir. Now, I am not much of a red girl, but figured we'd give it a shot. It says, for there is no folly of the beast of the earth which is not infinitely outdone by the madness of men. Herman Melvin, Moby Dick. Creating quality Pinot Noir at an affordable Creating quality Pinot Noir at an affordable price is a winemaking obsession, the ultimate white whale. Folly of the Beast is our mission to achieve the impossible. So, there we have it. So we have one red, we have a cider, we have a white wine, and then we have a sparkling white. So those were my 4 bottles from Winc. I think it is so awesome to try different wines, and you know, like I said, it bases it off of your that profile you fill out. So you're pretty guaranteed that you're going to get something that you will like if you follow the profile, like you answer it correctly and then you follow it and go based from their recommendations. Or if you kind of want to steer a little bit away from their recommendations and just look like at the tasting notes, that would, you know, still kind of work for you. So that is my Winc order for June 2019. Like I said, I will put that link down below. The link, again, you don't need a coupon code. That link alone, just click it, will get you $22 off your first box and free shipping. So you can get 4 bottles of wine, $22 off. They start at $13 a piece. So that is fantastic. Let me know your thoughts down below. What are your thoughts on the wines that I chose? You know, do you think it's a good variety? Would there be one you would like to try? Just let me know your thoughts. I think this is fun. This is my first like wine or whatever type subscription, so I'm kind of excited. And like I said, after the day we've had and still not knowing, I'm probably going to be popping one of these bad boys open very soon. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please do go ahead and hit subscribe. We have that giveaway going up tomorrow. You don't want to miss it. It's a really awesome one. Again, thank you for hanging out with me. Have a fantastic evening, and I will talk with you later. Bye.